What's up guys, and in today's video we are doing a Lego build off. So what I'm going to be building is this T-Rex. If you see the last video that I did is up there in the corner, Lego video, that was 2 years ago. So this is a Lego video and I've told me to build it. So we'll see you guys.
Brilliant.
So we'll see you guys.
See you in about half a day.
Yeah. We'll see you guys when I've got a little bit. What's up guys, so this is an update on mine. So I've got like the scars here, let's see, but yeah, that's my update guys. So I basically did this.
He's not that up in about 5 minutes.
Yeah, probably.
Speed. Speed Lego, speed Lego.
So this is what I did. This is what I did. So yeah, let's go. I did it. I literally did it. So guys, so I got this is what I've built so far. If you turn the laptop over, you can see all my pieces is down there. So this is my update. So remember I started this for the last update. This is my next update.
There you go, Mav. What's the update?
So pack one's finished. So
Good update.
let's just go into pack 2.
Yeah, nice.
What up guys? So back on another update. Now this took me quite a while to do. And I lost one of the claws. Put that back on. Yeah, that is my update. Guys, and my update. See you guys in the next update. What up guys? This is the next update. And in this update we have the tail I had to build and then I had to connect it to the body. So that was our update. So yeah, see ya in the next update. So this is what we've done so far. We finished our thingy. Let's see.
What is that, Mav?
It's our further, and then our second thing, we have our thing.
That's
So that's meant to go in there. So this is basically yours. We have this to be in there. So I'm going to 3, 2, 1. I know 3, 2, 1. I know 3, 2, 1. Shoot.
remarkable.
I don't really know where that second one is.
Nice one, Mav. Then we've got Atlas to the fire out. Magic. Rock on. Any more updates, Mav? Anything else to say?
Probably.
No.
See you guys later.
Nice one.
Okay, bye. What's up, guys? This is the next update. So, this is what I built. So I'll see you guys in the next update. What up, guys? So we got this is my next update. So as you can see, I added claws onto it, and yeah, I've got the tail right there. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next update. What's up, guys? This is the next update, and the head is done. So this is the last. This is the second last update. So I can see you guys in the next update. What's up guys, this is the final clip of my creation. Here's the T-Rex, here's like these little bones, and until then, I'll see you in the final clip. What's up guys, thank you for watching today's video. Comment down below which one was the best. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Otis and Mav, and until then, we'll see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe. Bye! Otherwise, Slender Man will be in your bed tonight. Bye, guys.